Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are looking to download and install Microsoft Office 2021 for free on your Windows PC, then you are at the right video. In this video, I will walk you through the every step to download Microsoft Office for free. First of all, you need to go to this website called Files here. Click on the first link. Then here you need to write Microsoft Office 2021. Then here you can see this is the link. I will link this in the description down below. Just you need to copy this link and head over to any torrent platform. I am using qBittorrent for this. qBittorrent. Okay, so then you just need to paste the URL here. Click on download. Wait for some time. Here you are. Here you can see two type of Windows option. First of all, you need to check whether your PC is 64-bit and or 32-bit. So mine is 64-bit system, so I'll uncheck this option and then click on OK. This is start downloading. I have already downloaded this, so I'm cancelling now. You need to download completely. This will download a zip file like this. Before unzipping this folder, you need to disable your antivirus temporarily. So let's open Windows Defender. Here you need to go here, then manage settings. This will turn off everything. This step is crucial because without this you can face some errors. Then you can unzip this folder. I am unzipping this. Extract all. Extract. Okay, this will take some time. I'll get back to you when this is completed. After unzipping, you can see this kind of a folder. Just double click on it. You can see this. Just mount this. Okay, now click on this. Sometimes need to click on yes. Okay, now here you need to select this option. Then on the drop down menu, you have to select this. Now here you have to check which option or which apps do you need. For me, I'm going with just Word and nothing else. Okay, you can check which. Just click on install Office. This will install everything for you. So after downloading and installing, you can see this kind of a window. Again, you have to head over this tab and click on utilities and settings. Then here you have to select activate Office. Just that's it. This will take some time. After completing this, your Office will be up and running without any hesitation, without any problem. Wait for some time. This will take some time depending on your system. After finishing that, you can now use your Word, PowerPoint, whichever platform you want to use, you can use it. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Office 2021 installed on your PC for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe TechPlusAvik for more tech tips and tutorials.